Pride Daily.
Hi there, I'm Kev McGrath. Coming up, a dressing down for men in women's clothes. First though, calls for better breast cancer screening for transgender people having top surgery. It's not widely known that how the breasts are removed in these cases is different to other mastectomies, and the upshot is, while there's a much smaller risk of the disease following surgery, it can still happen. Trans filmmaker Yi Won Chong can explain, because he's been through it.
Well, double mastectomy, you remove the breast tissue. For top surgery, you don't remove all the breast tissue. You reduce it, and the chest is sculpted to look like a male chest. So you still have some breast tissue in there.
Thanks to Total Health Oncology. With that in mind, a study by America's Boston University says pre-op screening should be improved. Then, if it turns out a patient's genetics mean an increased chance of breast cancer, they could go for the full risk-reducing mastectomy. The report also pushes for better education for both trans patients and health professionals.
Pride Daily.
Next, men are being told to break with tradition and not wear women's clothes during Indonesia's Independence Day celebrations next week, to counter what's being described as the lesbian, gay, sodomy and obscenity movement. The top Islamic body there has issued a warning because males in some communities play football in dresses and hijabs as part of the festivities. Indonesia is getting worse and worse for queer persecution, and the country's Ulema Council says cross-dressing violates Islamic law.
Pride Daily.
And a Turkish university's in trouble for refusing to reissue the diploma of a man who transitioned. Barton Uni said it couldn't because regulations, and would only add a note to the original qualification explaining his change of name. Now, Turkey's top court, the Constitutional Court, has ruled that violated his privacy. It sent the case back to a lower court which previously rejected the man's request with an order to get this sorted. Leave us a review, please, and be nice. That's your lot. I'll see you tomorrow.